Hey folks, Chris here with MPC Remote Starts. Today I'm going to show you how to take this remote starter and install it into this 2012 Cadillac SRX Push-to-start. Let's get started. Okay, so to get started, we have to remove this lower dash panel. To do so, there is a Phillips screw right here on the left and another one right here on the right. So we're going to go ahead and remove these two screws. Once you got those removed, you should be able to just simply pop this panel down. There we go. Once this panel is removed, these are the connectors right here at the BCM we're going to access to plug in our T-harness. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unplug the green, the blue, and the white connectors. Go ahead and unclip them, pull them out one at a time. Okay, now that they're all out, green will go to green, snaps into place, blue to blue. There we go, white to white. So now that we've connected it to the T-harness, we're going to go ahead and plug these back in place. White one goes on the top, blue one goes into the middle, plugged in, and the green one goes to the bottom. And connected it. Well, that completes the T-harness. With that plugged in place, now we're ready to do programming. Okay, you'll need to remove the valet key and the battery from the factory remote. Once you've done so, you're going to place it right here into the center console pocket that's at the top right of the center console. Okay, now that the remote is placed into the center console without the battery, we're going to go ahead and do our programming. So you're going to press and hold down the program button. While holding on the program button, plug in the black 4-pin connector. Lights will alternate. You're going to let go on a solid single yellow light. Once you've done that, now you can plug in the rest of your connectors. 20-pin white, the red 6-pin, and the white 5-pin. Now we're going to press the program button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will flash 5 times. And then we're waiting for the yellow to come back on solid. There we go. Now that it's solid, you're going to open the driver's door. You're going to step on the brake pedal. And with one foot on the brake pedal, you're going to press the push-to-start button and hold it till the vehicle starts. Okay, once the vehicle starts, let go of the brake. The red light will come on. And then we press the push-to-start button one more time and shut the vehicle off. Close the door and then open the door again. Then the same procedure, you're going to step on the brake pedal, you're going to press the push start button and hold until the vehicle starts. Once it starts, you let go, undo the brake, yellow will flash, and we're waiting for the blue to flash. There's our blue flash. Now we can turn the vehicle off. Okay, we have the slow flashing blue light, which means we are ready for decryptor. To do decryptor, we have to unplug the connectors. Make sure we unplug the black 4-pin last. So we'll unplug these two here. Our white 20-pin, then we unplug the black. We're going to head over to the computer and do our decryptor. Okay, we're ready to do the decryptor. To do so, you'll need to download the Flash Leak Manager 4 program and install it onto your computer. The login and password will be in your tip sheet to log into the manager program. Once you've logged into your Flash Leak Manager program, you're going to plug in the USB FLL port into your computer. The program will read the chip, and then the chip will process between colors and end on red. Once you've seen that, then now plug in the module. Okay, by doing that, USB will go green, the module will go red. The program will read the module. Okay, so we're set here, but we notice that this is set for a Chevy Equinox. You're going to go over here to the menu bar, and you're going to select it to the vehicle that we're using, and we're using a Cadillac. So we have a Cadillac. It's a 2012. And this is an SRX. And it's a push-to-start. Do not change any of these settings here. Simply load settings. It will set up this module for the Cadillac SRX push-to-start. Now we're going to go straight to decryptor. Select decryptor. You will select send data. And at this point here, it's going to start to transfer the data and read the code for the key. This can take anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes, depending upon your internet network. Now it's updating the module with a key code. Process is complete. It now tells you to disconnect the module from the computer. You'll take it back to the vehicle and complete your programming. Okay, our decryptor is complete, so now we're going to bring the module and put it back into the vehicle. Connect the 4-pin black connector first. Okay, then the rest of your connectors. Red 6-pin or white 5-pin. white 20 pin. And everything's connected here. We're going to go ahead and do a double check test start. So it's lock, lock, lock. All right, perfect. The vehicle starts up. Remote starts in shape, and we're going to go ahead and press the brake pedal and cancel it. Now it's time to button everything back up. To remote start your vehicle, you're going to press lock, lock, lock. Now to do a takeover, you're going to unlock the vehicle with the remote control, enter the vehicle, close the door, step on the brake pedal. You can now put the vehicle in gear and drive away.